if you are not gaining subscribers, you gotta try this new strategy that is popping right now on YouTube. Have to do this strategy in order to gain, in order to grow. Why? Because you have to have a strategy, right? So the strategy that is on a roll right now, that's helping small YouTubers gain subscribers and grow their channel, is simply by engaging in other small YouTube channels and just putting the word out there that they're to support, right? So for example, me making this video, I'm calling out all small YouTuber channels, all small YouTubers. Yo, what's going on? Right? So it's basically a small community, right? I'm super excited because this is actually working. Okay, there's probably like 3 YouTube channels right now that's blowing up, of just helping people grow. So that's the game right now. That's what we're trying to do as a small YouTuber, and to try and get monetized. Okay, so we're gonna get monetized. They're putting it out there for me, for you. So we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. I'm super excited. I'm super stoked because this is actually working. Oh my God. Like, oh my God. So I've started engaging. You have to engage. You have to comment on videos. You have to do everything that you can to get people to join the community. There's nothing more rewarding than that feeling of success. All right, so of course everyone is moved by those revenue videos. Of course everyone is moved by those type of videos where people talk about the revenue, where people talk about how much money they're making. So those are type of videos that move us to do what we got to do on YouTube. You feel me? So what you do is just literally just engage, make videos like this where you're calling out all the small YouTubers. You feel me? Like, let people know that you out here to support. You know, you give them tips and tricks on what to do in their videos, what to talk about. You know what I mean? So that's what's popping right now. Dante London, he's woo! His YouTube channel has been growing the past month and a half, past 2 months. Why? Because he's giving out information onto how to help other YouTubers, how to help people grow their channel. You feel me? Who else? We got Shayla, what is it? Tashayla, I believe her. Yo, she was at 1,000 subscribers or so, and within the past 2 to 3 days, she's gained over 1,000 subscribers. Like, guys, we gotta make these type of videos that's gonna help people grow their channel. Okay, motivate people. You feel me? Like, I'm motivated, right? So you gotta make videos. You gotta get up. It's so easy. You got an iPhone, even if you have an Android phone, it don't matter. Like, I'm so happy right now that this is actually working. I put out a couple videos, you know what I mean? And listen, success doesn't happen overnight. You gotta keep doing it. You're gonna get what you put out. Okay, so that's the most important thing. Okay, subscribe to small YouTuber channels. Engage. Make sure that you engage. When you make these type of videos, make sure that you're giving out tips. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna give you a tip right now. So I've been using a AI bot to help me come up with, thumbnail titles, thumbnail ideas, you know, and like a detailed description of what my video is about. So that right there, that's gonna help you guys come up with better titles and everything. So that's my tip for you guys. Second tip is upload constantly. Okay, that's how you're gonna get your watch hours. Make 15-20 minute videos, guys. And I know you keep hearing this, and if you haven't heard this already, boom, there you go. Boom, there you go. Right? So come on now, like, we all here to grow. We all here to just get monetized. Everybody want to get money, but that shouldn't be your end goal. Your end goal should be building this small YouTuber community so we could all climb up that ladder. All right, so of course I'm happy for everybody that's growing. Like, you gotta be happy. Don't be hating on the next person. Don't be watching the next person's YouTube videos, YouTube channel to try and see where they at. Nah, make sure you subscribe, make sure you support. Hold on, my daughter, she want me to open up this box. What's up? You want some? Okay, come, don't run away. Come on. Every time I try to spray, she run away. You want? Come. So like I was saying, make sure that you're supporting each other. Make sure that you uploading 15 to 20 minute videos just so you can get that watch time. Make sure that you're uploading videos of your channel. And please, 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 no vlogging. All due respect, we love to vlog. I used to vlog all the time. You feel me? But the harsh reality is that no one knows you, so no one is gonna watch your content. Okay, so I don't know what type of vlogs you're doing, but no one's gonna watch vlogs because they don't have a personal relationship with you. So you gotta build up to that. You gotta build an audience. You know what I mean? So all due respect, stop doing vlogs. Boom. No more vlogs. Say it with me. No more vlogs. All right? So next. All right? Boom. Make sure at least your thumbnails is looking pretty decent. You feel me? You don't gotta do a lot, but add something that's gonna say something about what your video is about. Nothing crazy, nothing. And if you don't gotta be, you don't gotta go all out like YouTube is used to do. Right now, YouTube is on easy mode, and people don't understand the reason why it's on easy mode. I didn't really understand that at first. I was like, yo, YouTube has always been hard. Nobody's watching my videos. I'm being consistent. I'm doing this, I'm doing that. The reason why it's on easy mode is because everybody, all small YouTubers, are coming together and they're making it happen for each other. So if we could come up together, okay, let's do it. Let's connect. Let's watch each other's videos. You feel me? The reason why it's on easy mode, again, another reason why it's on easy mode is because you don't have to do all the fancy editing. You don't have to do all the fancy, thumbnails. It's not like that anymore. People are actually blowing up for being themselves, coming on camera and just speaking their life issues, speaking about their job, speaking about what's really going on in the world. You know what I mean? So it ain't like before where people are like, what do you call it, clickbaiting. Nobody wants to, you clickbait somebody, they not gonna come back to your channel. You feel me? If I'm looking for a video, how to do a backflip, I want that. I'm gonna click on a video and I wanna get right to it. You feel me? I don't want you to tell me your backstory. I don't want you to tell me anything. I wanna learn how to do a backflip. Okay, so we gotta make sure that whatever your title is on your video, that's what you've given them. You feel me? So no clickbaiting. That's not gonna get you anywhere. You're actually gonna lose people like that. All right, so let's go. Woo! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. I'm super excited. Why? I gained a few subscribers. You feel me? It ain't hundreds of thousands, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. All right, so another thing, I think I told you guys already about the AI bot. So what else? What else can I tell you? What else can I tell you? It don't matter how you look. Right now is the right time to hop on YouTube because it is so easy. Like I said, you don't have to be all fancy and all that. Of course, there's a couple things that you gotta learn, being a part of YouTube, but it's nothing crazy. It's nothing crazy. You can literally learn as you go. You will learn as you go. All you have to have is faith. All you have to have is faith, commitment, passion, consistency. Okay, and do the damn thing. Hey, do the damn thing. Yeah, I'm super stoked. I'm super excited for everyone that's watching this video. I'm excited for me and I'm excited for you. I'm super excited for us to grow. We got this. We got this. My bad, my baby was crying, so I had to go get her. But listen, that don't stop the message, all right? That don't stop the message. Don't pay attention to me holding a beautiful baby, all right? Don't be getting all baby fever and all that, all right? So anyway, listen, you gotta have passion. You gotta have a why. You gotta have passion. Why? Because that's you always gotta remind yourself when times get hard, what's your reason for doing this YouTube? Because you're gonna get those times, okay? You're gonna get them times where it's gonna be really hard. You're gonna hit a plateau where you're not growing, and that's okay, because everyone goes through that. Not through you, not just YouTube, life period. You know what I mean? So make sure that you have a reason why, and make sure that you're passionate about doing this thing, okay? So I know she's a cutie, right? So yes, make sure that you have a reason why. Stay consistent. Make sure that you're uploading not educational but informative videos. Right now, just like I was saying before, I'm sorry, I got distracted. If you haven't done YouTube before, it is the perfect time right now to hop on YouTube right now. Why? Because everything is so easy. Everything is so easy. You can talk through while sitting in your car. I don't have a car, but if I had a car, I'll be making videos in my car. Okay, I would be taking a walk outside, but right now it's really cold outside. It's brick ass. Excuse me. It's brick as hell, as heck outside right now in New York City. All right, so that's where we at. Listen, drop down your channels. Make sure that you comment so we can all support each other. That's the name of the game right now. Okay, that's what we doing. We supporting each other. We're engaging. Okay, this small YouTuber community is a really big community, and I'm so sorry that I'm yelling at y'all, but listen, I'm super passionate about this. I'm super passionate. All right, so it don't matter if my last videos didn't do too good. I know somebody, so I don't care if I'm reaching 30, 40 people. At least I reached a person. It don't matter. Make those videos, even if you're reaching one person at a time. It don't matter. But please stay consistent. Okay, we're gonna grow together. We're gonna do this thing. And also make sure that you're uploading videos of what your channel is about. So do both. I say do both. Make encouraging videos about, letting people know how to grow on YouTube, but also don't forget about your channel. Make sure that you're uploading videos about what your channel is, what your niche is, but don't do any vlogs. If you need to talk to the camera, you feel me, do that. Right, mama? Right, mama? Yes, she agrees. So let's get it. Let's get to monetization this year. Okay, listen, I started this YouTube channel a few years ago. I got inconsistent because I started growing my family, but I'm back on it right now, baby. We back on it. We are back on it. We back on it. Why? Because right now is the perfect time. Right now is the perfect time. So hop on. All right, and stop getting discouraged by other people. Stop listening to other people. You want to know something? Just watch those YouTube. The small YouTubers are probably like 50,000 subscribers and below. So you want to watch those videos. You want to learn from other people. Okay? Don't matter. Make sure that you watching. Make sure that you're learning. You want to learn. Every time you get on YouTube, don't go there listening to music or whatever unless you did your thing or you already did your homework. Okay? So make sure that you're growing and you're learning every day. Okay, you're learning how to edit videos, you're learning how to engage, you're learning how to be better at picking thumbnails. It don't matter, but make sure it don't matter. It don't move. My hair, it don't move. Yo, I'm super excited. Yo, y'all don't understand how this thing is just taking off. Like, guys, you gotta hop on YouTube right now. You don't have a YouTube channel, get on it. It's literally easy. The hardest thing about a YouTube channel is starting. It's picking up that camera and just talking to it. Okay, make sure that you clean your lenses and just upload. Right now you can use the front camera or the back camera. People always recommend the back camera because it just works better like that. But right now I'm using my front camera. It don't look too bad, right? It don't look too bad. But anyway, listen, y'all got this. We got this. Let's support each other. Let's grow and let's go. Let's go. We don't got no time to waste. We don't got time to waste, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Guys, let's do this thing, man. Let's do this thing. Right, so I was saying before I got cut off that I had a YouTube channel for, I don't know, I want to say three years. I was uploading 3 years ago. I stopped. Family was growing. I got inconsistent, but we back on it. Why? Because my family is big. I'm a single mother of 4 beautiful kids, and guess what? It's 4 under 5. My oldest is 5. So you can't imagine. I'm running my own daycare right now at home. All right, so yes, I have a part-time job, but it's not enough. They cutting my hours, and that's another story. I don't want somebody else to have this hold on me, okay? Working for somebody else sucks, all right? Like, everybody can agree on that. Everybody in this video can agree that working for somebody else sucks. We want better for ourselves, and I feel like YouTube is very good for that. YouTube, you can make money on YouTube. You know, you just have to be consistent. You have to engage. You have to grow. At least for right now, build your audience, and then start vlogging after you build that audience. You build your loyal community. So that's all I gotta say right now, right? That's what we gotta say right now. Woo, 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 woo! I'm excited. I'm excited for this thing. Y'all gotta get excited. Y'all gotta get excited for this thing. All right, so make sure that y'all commenting down below. Make sure that you guys are subscribing to each other, and please, this is the only way it's gonna work to be a part of the community. You gotta do this thing. You want your channel to grow, you have to subscribe to other people. Don't wait for them to subscribe to you. You have to be the first one, okay? Show initiative as well, okay? They may not see it right away like me. Listen, I put in a lot of work yesterday and this morning, subscribing to so many people and commenting on so many videos, and you're not gonna see it that same night. Maybe you will, maybe you won't, but you gotta let YouTube do its thing, okay? So I woke up with new subscribers. It wasn't much, but it was something, okay? I think I woke up with like 10 new subscribers, but guess what? Put in that work and you will reap the benefits. Put in that work. All right, so make sure again that you subscribe to my channel, and I will do my part. I will definitely subscribe to everybody that comments on this video. Everybody just do the damn thing. Do the damn thing. Let's get it, yo. 2025 monetization. Let's go. Let's go, man. All right, I'm gonna see you on the next video. Say bye. Bye. Don't get no baby fever. We gotta get this money.